Welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I'm going to share the secret to making a rustic but incredibly appealing snack, steamed honey sweet potatoes. Our ingredient today is beautiful, fresh honey sweet potatoes. First tip, you should select potatoes that are similar in size and reasonably long and slender. This ensures even heat distribution during steaming, so all the potatoes cook at the same time, preventing some from becoming mushy while others remain hard. Let's start the bath for the potatoes. Pour the potatoes into a bowl and fill it with water. Remember to wear gloves, as sweet potatoes hold a lot of dirt and the sap can stain your nails black. Scrub each potato thoroughly, scrubbing hard to remove all the grit and dirt lodged in the crevices. While scrubbing, let me share a bit. Sweet potatoes are truly an affordable superfood. Packed with fiber, vitamins A and C, they are excellent for digestion, skin health, and weight management. Especially, steaming them whole like this preserves the natural honey sweetness and precious nutrients much better than boiling or roasting. This murky, muddy water shows that the potatoes are freshly harvested and still contain many impurities. Continue by putting the potatoes into a second bowl of clean water. The water is clearer this time, but we still need to scrub them once more just to be sure. A clean skin ensures a pure aroma when steamed, without any lingering earthy smell. Once washed, scoop them out into a colander to drain some of the excess water. Now, we will handle both ends of the sweet potatoes. Use a sharp knife to quickly and cleanly cut off these two ends. Why cut them? Because the tips contain a lot of tough fiber. When steamed, they become dry, hard, and lack sweetness, which detracts from the eating experience. By the way, while I'm prepping, I'm curious. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below to say hi. Cutting them off also makes the potatoes look much neater and more appealing. Here is an extremely important note. If you pick up a potato that is diseased, worm-eaten, or partially spoiled, do not be tempted to just cut off the bad part and keep the rest. My sincere advice is to discard the entire potato. When the potato is infected, the toxins spread throughout the entire root, even if you can't see them, and eating it is very harmful to your health. Prepare a new bowl of water. Add 2 teaspoons of white salt. Use a wooden ladle to stir and dissolve the salt. This mixture will help further clean the sap from the potatoes. Add the trimmed potatoes to soak completely for a few minutes. After soaking, sap will seep out from the freshly cut ends. We need to scrub these ends thoroughly to remove that bitter sap. Doing this carefully ensures the steamed potatoes are sweet from end to end. It's not just about the taste. Removing the sap also ensures that when cooked, the potato skin stays a vibrant reddish-orange instead of turning dark and patchy. Good food should look appetizing too, right? Scoop the potatoes out and give them one final rinse under strong running water. While rinsing, arrange them in the colander to drain completely. That finishes the sanitation. The potatoes are now completely clean. Let me introduce you to a small tool with a big purpose. A sharp metal skewer. You can also use a toothpick or any other sharp object. Now I'm going to use this sharp skewer to pierce the body of the sweet potato evenly. Make sure to poke many small holes scattered across the entire surface. This serves 2 major purposes. First, it allows the heat to penetrate deep into the core, helping the potato cook evenly and faster. Second, and more importantly, it prevents the skin from bursting open when exposed to high heat. The internal steam escapes through these small holes, keeping the potato intact, with a beautiful, plump skin. Be patient, and do this for every single potato. This is the secret to perfectly steamed, restaurant-quality sweet potatoes. Now, prepare a pot of water and bring it to a rolling boil. Once the water is boiling, place the steamer basket on top. Arrange the potatoes one by one, making sure they are spread out and not stacked, which allows for the best steam circulation. If you enjoy these little kitchen tips, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Your support is huge motivation for me to keep making more quality videos. Cover the lid tightly and steam at the highest temperature for the first 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid. The potato skin will have changed color. Use chopsticks to flip the potatoes over to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. Before closing it up, check the water level at the bottom. Add more boiling water if it's running low so you don't burn the pot. And here is the most important secret. For the second round, you must lower the heat to the minimum setting. This low heat is the key for enzymes to convert starch into honey sugar. If you keep the heat high, the potatoes will just be dry and crumbly, never moist and gooey. Now, cover the lid and patiently wait for another 15 minutes. Once the time is up, gently pierce the potato with a chopstick. If the chopstick slides through smoothly without resistance, the potato is soft and fully cooked. Now, let's transfer them one by one to the bamboo tray. As you can see, thanks to the slow steaming method, the potatoes are very firm and intact, not mushy or bursted out. While I'm plating this, I want to do a quick survey with you guys. Everyone eats sweet potatoes, but are you on team eat the skin or team must peel? Many sources say the skin is packed with minerals and great for digestion, which is why I scrub them so carefully to eat the whole thing. Leave a comment below and let me know your preference. Amidst so many fancy dishes, sometimes a simple steamed sweet potato is the best healthy meal, light on the stomach and guilt-free. Now for the best part, tasting. I don't know about you, but I am definitely team peel. I'll break off a bite-sized piece first. Look at this. Thanks to our careful prep work, the skin is paper thin and peels off effortlessly. And just look at that. The color is absolutely mesmerizing. It's no longer a pale yellow. It has transformed into a deep, glossy amber, looking wet and sticky as if it were dipped in honey. Now, let's break it open to check the inside. The inside is gooey, smooth as wax, and glistening with honey syrup, completely fiber-free. One bite, and that rich sweetness just melts in your mouth. Totally worth the wait. And with that, our steamed honey sweet potatoes are complete. It's a simple, economical dish, yet highly nutritious, and the ideal snack for the whole family. No oil needed, just a little patience. I encourage you to try this recipe right away and share your results with me in the comment section. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.